Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start with safety. Put the Scorpio N in park, set the handbrake, and turn the ignition on so systems are live. Once done, visually confirm the drive mode control, typically a mode button or rotary close to the gear lever. You don't need the touchscreen, physical controls are primary. Make sure you're stationary and not accelerating. This prevents unintended shift events and lets the vehicle accept mode changes without fault codes or warnings from the powertrain electronics. You now change modes. Press or rotate the drive mode control once to move between options. As you cycle, observe the instrument cluster or center display. It shows the selected mode name and an icon, so you know the car registered your input. If the vehicle requires a confirm hold, press and hold the mode button for 1 to 2 seconds to lock the choice. Make sure your foot is off the accelerator and the transmission is stable to avoid interruptions. Finish by verifying the chosen mode. You should see the icon on the dash and notice changes in throttle response or transmission mapping immediately. If the mode does not engage, switch the ignition off and back on to reset the ECU and try again. If a warning lamp appears or the car refuses mode changes repeatedly, maintain safety and contact a dealer. There may be a sensor fault. One key troubleshooting tip: rebooting the vehicle electronics.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.